everyone, my name is Richa and my step ID is 20.
Hello, my name is Jay Popadia and my SAP ID is 22.
Hi, my name is Nejal and I am SAP ID 34. Today we have created a project automated car parking system. So nowadays there has been a severe car parking issues in multiplex systems where it is difficult to predict the empty vacant spaces in the car parking. So the project objective of our MCA project is to create an automated car parking system which will indicate the number of vacant spaces, as well as it will reduce the human labor by opening and closing the doors automatically. There will be an proximity sensors at the entrance and exit gates. There will also be a display of 16 into 2 LCD which will display the vacant spaces and the opening and closing of door, and it will also indicate once the doors are closed. Thank you. Now Jay will explain the code for the project.
So we have written the code in C for 8051 microcontrollers. We need to include REG library. This code is copied to KeelMuvision software, which is compiled to convert it into hex file. Then the hex file is added to the Proteus schematic. Here we have used SBIT keyword to assign pins to labels. So the first one is SCN in, that is entry label, is assigned to pin 1.0. So which is pin 0 of port 1. Similarly, 1.1, 3.4, 3.5, 3.0, 3.1, 3.2 are assigned to exit, door entry, door exit, RS, RW, and EN labels respectively. RS interfaces LCD to select register, RW to read write for LCD. Then we have declared functions which are entry door open, exit door open, entry door close, exit door stop, entry door stop, and for LCD command, if RS is 0, the command is given to LCD. If RS is 1, the display data is given to the LCD. Now in the main function, we give a count which is equal to 8. The count is set equal to the total number of parking slots available. So after running the code, the first string that we will pass is hello sir. Then in the next, after clearing the LCD, we will in the first column and second column it will display welcome to car parking system. And again, after calling a delay and clearing the screen by calling the function LCD command 0 by 01, will display parking left and move the cursor to the LCD using LCD command 0 into 8D. Now, after pressing the button, if the entry button is pressed, the number of vacant slot will be decreased. That is, the count will be count minus 1, and the delay will be called. After which the motor of the gate will rotate, and again the delay is called, and after that time the door closes. Now, if the exit button is pressed, the count will be count plus 1, and again it will go into a while loop where delay will be called for opening and closing of the gate. So we have used a convert function where the parking slots are filled. Then this part will display null. The delay is used to provide for loop delay. So if in LCD command, if RS is 0, that means data register is selected. If RW is 0, means writing to LCD module is selected. Now for code for motor, that is door opening and closing, we use entry door open function, and for closing the door we use entry door close function. Now here it will show us the simulation.
So to simulate, first we need to create an hex file. For that we need to run this code. So first we need to compile the code and check if there are errors or not. Then we need to build an hex file. So the hex file has been created. Now let us go towards the simulation part. So this is the basic schematic diagram of an car parking system. To give the hex file, we need to double click on this and select here. and select the hex file, then click on OK. So this the IC 8089C51 is used to control all the other devices. The LCD, this is this interfacing of LCD with IC. The motor driver is used to provide input to the entry door and exit door. So basically the doors are motors. We will give input to the motor driver from IC. So now let us run this simulation. So now let us press the key. So whenever the key won't be pressed, an LED will glow to show to give us an whenever the button is not pressed, LED will glow. In the hardware connection, we can use proximity sensor instead of the buttons. Thank you.